In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Power Automate. Power Automate helps you save time by automating repetitive tasks on your computer and across your apps. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from opening your browser all the way to running the installer, with clear tips to make the process smooth. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work, like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, since the installer can be a fairly large file. Next, in the search bar, type the phrase, "Download Power Automate Microsoft." Using those exact words helps you land on the official source quickly. When the results load, look for the official Microsoft website. It should display Microsoft's domain and reference Power Automate. Avoid third-party download sites. The safest option is always the official Microsoft page. When you find the official result, click on the link that says Install Power Automate. This typically takes you to a page dedicated to Power Automate for desktop, along with a prominent download option. Take a moment to confirm the page branding and that you're still on a Microsoft domain. This is a good habit to prevent installing anything unintended. On that page, click the button to download the Power Automate installer. The label may vary slightly, but it will clearly indicate that you're downloading the installer. Your browser will begin the download. If you're prompted to confirm or choose a location, select a folder you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. If the download doesn't start, look for a secondary download link or a small notification near the top of your browser. Once the download finishes, open the file. Most browsers show the downloaded file at the top or bottom of the window, and you can click it directly there. Otherwise, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer. On Windows, it's typically an .exe file with Power Automate in the name. Finally, run the file. If a security prompt appears asking for permission, choose Yes to proceed. Keep other applications to a minimum while the installer runs to prevent interruptions. The installer will guide you through setup and will handle the required components automatically. If you're using a work computer, make sure you have permission from your administrator before running installers. That's it. By following these steps, you've downloaded the official Power Automate installer, opened it, and run it to begin setup. Once complete, you're ready to start building automations and saving time across your daily tasks.